you're experiencing an installation loop on your Nintendo Switch, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Restart your console. Power off your Nintendo Switch completely by holding the power button for about 10 seconds. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on. This simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Step 2. Check for system updates. Navigate to the system settings from the home screen. Scroll down to System and select System Update. Ensure your console is running the latest software version, as updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 3. Clear cache. Go to System Settings, then select System and scroll down to Formatting Options. Choose Clear Cache and select the user profile you want to clear the cache for. This can help eliminate corrupted data that may be causing the installation loop. Step 4. Reinsert the game card. If you're trying to install a game from a physical cartridge, remove the game card from the console and inspect it for any dirt or damage. Clean it gently with a soft cloth, then reinsert it to see if the installation proceeds. Step 5. Initialize console without deleting data. If the previous steps didn't work, you may need to initialize your console. Go to System Settings, select System, and then Formatting Options. Choose Initialize console without deleting saved data. This will reset the system settings while keeping your game saves intact. If you follow these steps and the issue persists, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.